IKEA is already known for its cost-efficient, useful, and versatile furniture and other household items. But did you know there are many ways to hack IKEA's beds to make them even more magical? There are numerous bed hacks online, but here are some that are sure to stand out and help you create something even more functional out of one of the brand's beds. 1. Malm 4-Poster. When you upcycle an affordable IKEA Malm bed, you'll spend less money, and it's not as difficult as you think it may be. All you'll really need are tools and beams. You can also add a shelf to the headboard of the bed for extra storage if you don't have space for a nightstand. This turns out really pretty. 2. Cabin Bed. Once again, a good way to make use of a small space, this hack creates a cabin bed for a child using several IKEA pieces, including a bookcase, a wardrobe, and several chests of drawers. 3. DIY Waterbed. Remember when you were a kid and waterbeds were all the rage? They're not around so much anymore, but you don't need to try and track one down. Make your own with this IKEA hack. Using Kallax shelves, you can craft your own DIY waterbed frame. 4. Upscale Upholstered Bed. You may love the look of an upholstered bed, but not the price tag. Fortunately, IKEA comes to the rescue again with an easy way to modify an existing bed into the fabric bed of your dreams. You'll need the Fagelsi bed as the base of this project. 5. Underbed Storage. This hack uses IKEA dresser drawers underneath the bed to create a trundle type situation. It's completely simple and totally brilliant. Simply pull out the drawers when you want to access them. 6. Bunk Bed with Stairs. Transform the Curab bed into a sleeping space for not one but 2 kids with this crafty hack. This DIY also uses the Trofast toy storage unit as stair steps leading up to the top bunk, so kids can safely access the top without having to climb up a ladder or use unsafe stairs. 7. Cute Curab Bed. The Curab bed is proving to be one of the most versatile pieces of furniture a parent can buy at IKEA. Here's another super cool hack for this affordable bed. 8. Platform Storage Bed. A twin bed becomes so much more when you combine wood along with IKEA storage shelves and bins. This bed sits atop the bins for easy to access storage you can use for just about anything. 9. Clubhouse Bed. What kid doesn't love a clubhouse? For kids who balk at bedtime, creating their own clubhouse may make nighttime less of a struggle. This DIY uses a bed and wood to make a house frame and even a cute picket fence. 10. Brass Hardware Bed Upgrade. It's the little things that can make the biggest differences, right? When it comes to your Brimknees bed, adding brass poles like these can create a simple yet elegant feel to your bed. 11. Malm Storage Bed. This is the extra deluxe version of a grown-up storage bed, and you'll use the Malm as a base and add drawers, a headboard, and a nightstand. This platform bed is sitting atop so much storage you'll practically have an extra closet at your disposal. 12. Daybed with Storage. This is the perfect DIY for a teenager's room or for a sitting room that can double as a guest room when an extra bed is needed. You can use these drawers for extra linens. 13. Storage Headboard. Combine a Brimknees headboard with Troni's shoe storage and you'll love the hidden storage options you'll get. No, it's not a huge amount of storage, but it can make a definite difference. 14. DIY Loft Bed. This hack doesn't even use an IKEA bed, but it does use dressers and shelves in tandem to make a creative bed for a small space. Once you assemble IKEA Malm dressers and Expedit shelves, you can arrange them into a handy configuration that gives you a cool, cute loft bed that saves space and looks great. 15. Platform Bed with Storage. This hack may take a bit more time and materials, but if you live in a very small space, then you know every square inch counts, and furniture that does double duty is what you need to maximize room.